All right, now that we've talked about graphing inequalities and writing solutions to inequalities in both interval and set builder notation, let's start solving some of these inequality equations. So it says here in example number 4, solve and graph the solution. And you can tell that it looks very close to an equation that we've solved in the past. The only difference is it's now an inequality because it has that inequality symbol. We're going to solve it though just like we would if it were an equal to sign, an equation. We want to try to figure out how to get x by itself. So if you notice in A, we have a plus 2, x plus 2, and we want to get that 2 to the other side. So let's do the opposite of adding 2, and let's subtract 2 from both sides. Positive 2 minus 2 is 0, so then I'm left with x is greater than 6. So when I go to graph it, I'm going to put 6 on my number line. We want it to be greater than 6, but not equal to. So remember, if it's not equal to, we use a parenthesis, and then we draw an arrow to the right, symbolizing we want anything greater than 6. Now, if I asked you to do set builder notation, it would be the set of all x's such that x is greater than 6. Or if I asked you to do interval notation, the lowest number is 6, but we don't want to include it, so we use our parentheses, and then we're going to go all the way till we approach positive infinity with a parenthesis. Make sure you practice all the ways. All right, let's do one more quick one, B, and then we'll get a little more complicated in the next video. If you look at B, B is another inequality. If you notice though, on this inequality, we actually have two x's, one on each side. So just like we were doing in the past when we were solving equations with multiple of the same variable, we want to get those variables to the same side. So you could move the 3x or you can move the 2x. It technically doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and move the 2x over to the other side. I'm going to go ahead and move that positive 2x by subtracting it to both sides. When I subtract it, 2x minus 2x zeroes out, and so I'm left with just a negative 5 on the right side. On my left side, 3x minus 2x is really just a 1x. So I have a 1x minus 1 is less than or equal to negative 5. All right, we still need to get x by itself. So let's go ahead and get rid of that minus 1. Let's go ahead and get rid of the negative 1 or minus 1 by adding it to both sides. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So then I just have x left on that side. I end up with a solution that says x is less than or equal to negative 4. When I go to graph it, I'm going to put negative 4 on my number line. Since it's less than or equal to, I'm going to put a bracket, and then less than symbolizes I'm going to go anything less than negative 4 or to the left. Interval notation would be negative infinity until we hit negative 4, and then I can include it. Set builder notation would be the set of all x's such that x is less than or equal to negative 4. All right, make sure that you practice some of those solving inequalities, and then we'll talk about one important rule here in the next video that you need to look out for.